Keeping your taxi clean and organized is essential for providing the best experience for your passengers. In this video, we'll see Bill, an American Taxi employee, meeting with Douglas, one of our drivers, to introduce an important tool, the American Taxi Cleaning Supply Bag. This bag is designed to help drivers keep their vehicles looking professional and presentable at all times. It comes stocked with essential cleaning supplies. Having these supplies on hand makes it easy to tidy up throughout the day, ensuring a fresh and professional ride every time. Whether you're just getting started or have been driving with us for years, the American Taxi Cleaning Supply Bag is a great way to stay organized and make a lasting impression.
Hey, Bill, good afternoon.
Hey Douglas, how we doing today?
Good. I think I'm all set to go. Is there anything else I need to know?
Matter of fact, there is. I want to show you this kit we have for new drivers.
Oh, awesome. What's in the kit?
Well, I'm going to show you. This way you're going to go out there, you're going to be able to keep your car clean, and the customers will be happy with a clean car.
Perfect.
Okay? First thing we have is we have some window cleaner for you.
Okay.
Got to keep those windows clean,
Right.
so you can see out of them and the customers see out of them.
Absolutely.
Some paper towels to start you off. So this is just a starter kit. We've got some cleaner for your dash and your doors. Keep them nice and shiny.
Sweet.
We've got a lint brush. If you have cloth seats, you want to clean those off. Check in the back all the time with the customers. They bring hair in, dog hairs. You don't want to transfer those to other customers.
Right.
It's not happy, your tip will go down, and maybe a complaint.
All right.
We don't want that. Air fresheners. Use whatever you'd like. We suggest a very neutral one. Black ice is good. No one ever complains. These go in the vent. Very simple. This little device here.
What is that used
well,
for exactly?
right here, your window cleaner, you put a little spray on there.
Oh.
So how it's hard to get in there, we're gonna demonstrate. You just
That's
clean them
great.
off,
That's
microfiber
perfect. That's
cloth.
exactly what I
Okay.
need for my car.
You've got yourself some towels. The small one, I like to use this one for cleaning your tablet so you don't see the greasy fingerprints on there, and your
Right.
phone and your credit card square. Then you've got two others. One, right here,
Uh-huh.
keep your dash, and one cleaning your door jams out after you wash your car.
Wow, that's perfect.
Okay? Also, here's something really great. We're gonna give you a car wash.
No way.
Okay?
Wow.
It's gonna start you off, okay? It's a gift card. We highly suggest find the one that you like.
Sure.
Okay? And get yourself a monthly pass. This way you can go in every day and keep your car clean.
I'll do
All
just
right?
that.
Little vacuum cleaner. Not every driver uses them, but some do. Okay? So that's something you could look at. Okay? And also, we're gonna give you a shirt. You already have an American Taxi on, but we're gonna give you a blue one as
Wow.
well.
Thank you,
Okay?
Bill. I appreciate it.
You any questions?
Yeah, what is this thing here?
Oh, that you're really gonna like. We're gonna go outside, I'm gonna show you this. It's gonna keep your car clean in between car washes while you're on the road. So every customer has a clean car.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate this, Bill.
No
Thank
problem.
you so much.
Welcome aboard to American Taxi.
Before we wrap up, we want to make sure you're set up for success from day one. That's why every new driver receives a special welcome bag with some essential tools to help you hit the road with confidence. Inside the bag, you'll find essential items such as an interior cleaning and protectant spray, along with a glass cleaner to ensure your windows stay crystal clear. We're also providing a tire shine spray to give your wheels a polished, professional look, plus an air freshener to ensure your car stays smelling fresh for every ride. And to help you keep your car looking professional, we're also including a lint brush to keep your seats free of dust and debris, along with a roll of paper towels for quick cleanups whenever you need them. Plus, to make cleaning even easier, we're including a window cleaning tool for a spotless finish, along with microfiber cloths that are perfect for streak-free wiping and dust removal. And to help maintain a clean interior, we're including a portable vacuum, perfect for quick and easy dirt removal. And while not included in the bag, we highly recommend a California duster for keeping your car's exterior free of dust between washes. Last but certainly not least, we're including a Wash You gift card loaded with 6 free car washes. Keeping your vehicle clean is essential, and this gift card ensures you can start fresh and stay professional on the road. This gift bag, along with the free car washes, is just a starter kit to help you hit the road with confidence. These supplies will eventually run out, so we encourage you to replace them regularly to ensure your car always looks its best. Remember, a clean car not only makes a great impression, but can also lead to bigger tips. Our goal is to provide limo quality service at taxi rates, and keeping your vehicle spotless is a key part of that.